Watch. Hear me, man. At the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what I go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You know it go already. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You know it go. When me load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. The most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It can't get no more electrified than that. Make we touch the road with the clip them load. Cause no gimmicks thing not there in my game. Not in it. Yes. We sure do. Right now, you know. A avoca go on, you know. In the dance hall right now, you know. Yo, I can't believe. And at the end of the year, some people want forward for turn up the heat. Yo, you see what teacher do? Eh? You can't manage that. But anyway, let's not go there so fast into the video. Because right now, you know, teacher, the people, you know, are forward out, you know, all over the internet right now, you know. And people are saying them want back teachers pet, you know. So, I don't know what you're going to do about that, no, my general. Because the fans, them are scream out, you know. You know what I mean? Their voice has been heard, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, their voice has been heard. Them I say them want back the good old teachers pet, no gimmicks thing that they in my game, no lollipop thing no in it to the way how me I represent nation people. Yes, what me I say, the people them say them want part few episode or part 3 episode. No gimmicks business no they in it. So but me no know what you gonna do general, but the fans them a ball and a cry feed. Yes, what me I say, and mostly couples too. No joke shit no in it, no gimmicks thing no in it. Well, nation people, the blood clot white drum song, you see me? It take off right about now. It a travel first class. Them can't manage that, no care where you want hear them a talk about. Them fucker and them shit up on the internet, cause you know the internet base up off of nothing but bumbleclad, fuckery and foolishness. You see what I say? So right now, you know, the bumbleclad drum song, you know, people, it's shot. What I say? It's shot like a mash burn bumbleclad shotgun. Because what you know, me see people are forward out on the internet, you know. And I make Vybz Kartel know say, you're a world boss. Why you have to do a song about the bumbleclad special? Right now, $600 the people them want for a special. We can't afford $600 for a look tata and something like that. It's not a big drink, it's just a special. No gimmicks business not dead about it, no lollipop thing no in the way how me I represent nation people. The people them a ball. Even if I blunder, you say the brother a blunder, but the price is feed. Just even if I blunder, I'm a blunder. Just by him, forward him out, you know, and say such shit, you know. You don't know the whole fucking country I go take on to it. You don't know you're not going to get no more special unless you have six apartments where the people them now for pay rent, them just have that permanent. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it, no gimmicks thing in it, you know. Remember what they are with the kerchief them, you know. You see me? All when some people say $500, some people say $1,000, you know. Just remember that, you know, what they are, you know, with a certain type of iron kerchief, you know. So no lollipop thing in it the way how I represent, you know. A real way I represent Gaza way they ain't no other way, you know. You see what I say? But bumbo rascal, man. Me tell you know, people, remember say the world boss go a Mecca club, you know. And all of them bumbo rascal place there, you know. And when the boss go there, you know, a champagne bumbleclad campaign, you know, and bumbleclad any rock, you know, any sip on the rock, you know, Who now get bumbuckler 20 other get 30 odd buckle, you know. Watch ya now. And the world boss a drop a big song, you know. You did hear the man forward out and not tell nobody about no rose, champagne, no NSA. Eh? Especially the dog, poor people stuff. It sell off clean, so here we go on. You see all of the poor people them who have them local shop and have them local thing where set up where them know say them sell special on a regular habit. Even the people them who are sell from a fucking cart or a wagon, or the people who them sell from inside of them fucking house. Right now, you know, we don't have bumbuckler piss pot for collect money off a special. All because of the world boss. Him always we treat poor people right. Him always we look out for poor people. And that's why him a miss a dance all. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that dead about it. No lollipop thing that in it. Him come like the kings and the lord of lord, the conquering lion of the tribe of dance all. That is it. No gimmicks thing that in my game. You don't see the way I represent. You don't know a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Eh? No joke thing that in my game nation people, the white room shit shot. You see me? It sell off first class. No lollipop thing, a whole heap of people do them reaction to it. And me did already know, you know. Say the youth, you know, on the corner, you know. I go have a field days with it, you know. Especially, you know, a day like today, you know. Sunday, you know. Remember me I tell you know. I the most white room I sell right now. Me not lie. Me can't fake it. You have to be real with it. You see what I say? Yeah, them can't manage the world boss intensity. I told the man go find another far brother, you know. A quick whip whap, you know. Remember that, you know. A double explosion. One after the other. You see what I say? I told the man drop. That's why people say the world boss spoil him fans them. No. That's all the brother react when it comes to music. Me tell you now already, him can't help himself. Him born for do this shit. That's what I say. Him not like some make artists who have to go in a studio and fucking engineer and producer make them. No, him born for do this shit. Him solidify and certify. Everybody know that. I don't know gimmicks thing me I talk about. So I don't know when I go with certain type of comparison. Let me tell you something. When I get them fucking thing they out on a blood clot head people. All these little shishki bag where I write up and talk about other fuckery. Let me tell you something. Get them fuckery they out on the head because no man, no dancehall artist in a Jamaica, no big blood clot song like a world boss have. So me never want go there. Me no want hear it. Shut down that, tick with that. You know me a concrete stepper. That shaky when me step it I go bumbuckler broke off. You hear that? Nobody in a Jamaica, no dancehall bumbuckler artist in a Jamaica, different from Sean Paul and Shaggy them. You see what I say? They don't have the songs where Vybz Kartel have. You hear that? Yeah, don't have the maybe and a collaboration with some international artists where the song create that type of energy there. But I'm saying, as a single artist, a solo artist, a individual, you don't have that status. So me no want nobody bumbuckler to talk about no other fuck in my ears. You hear that? You come out of the people them ears with no stupidness. You hear that? Yeah, nobody no want to hear that. You know what I mean? You ever sell gold in a United States yet? Your song ever sell gold in a United States yet? You have a silver record from Canada by yourself? A silver record from UK, England by your bumbuckler self? Yo, no cut the fucking monarchy out, yeah? Done with the show pony bumbuckler business. It not gonna last long. Me not gonna lie to you, no gimmicks thing that they about it. At the general, the 10-star one I represent nation people who don't know how I represent already. A Gaza way, there ain't no other way. Big up Federal Music Entertainment FME, Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Arnett Garden, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Rima, large up. Federal, who don't know the badness go. A 10-star, the general I represent. Big up Waterford, the world boss touch the road and music galore and they click them load. What? Hear me, nation people.